In TypeScript, enums come in two flavors, and choosing wrong can haunt you at runtime. Numeric enums are the default in TypeScript. Without explicit values, members auto-increment starting from 0. Up is 0, down is 1, and so on. You can override the start value if needed. String enums work differently. Every member requires an explicit string value. There is no auto-incrementing, so you write each mapping yourself. Here is where things get really interesting. Numeric enums support reverse mapping. You can look up an enum name from its numeric value. TypeScript generates the compiled code to do this automatically. So if direction.up equals 0, calling direction bracket 0 gives you back the string up. This is extremely useful for logging and debugging. String enums, by contrast, do not support reverse mapping. They compile to a simpler one-directional object. The flip side is readability. String enums produce human-readable values in logs and JSON. You will see active instead of a cryptic 1 or 0. That makes runtime debugging much cleaner. As a bonus, TypeScript also offers const enums, which are inlined at compile time and generate 0 runtime overhead. Numeric enums auto-increment and support reverse mapping. String enums demand explicit values but shine with readability. Know both, and you will ace this in any TypeScript interview. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.